In this video, we're gonna give you an introduction to how tags are used and also their importance in finding products on e-commerce websites and how customers use them to navigate around lots of different ways on sites. We'll also have a look at the difference between categorization or categories and tags and how the system actually uses them. So we're going to be exploring how tags are used, how you actually set areas, and how you can set values for them or options for them so that they can appear in a website. To do this, I'm going to have a look at a fashion website that uses tags, from the PIM. This is a demonstration area, but we're going to have a look at how these apply. I'm on a fashion website. I've got lots of different ways of going in, searching for things, but basically it could be some form of categorization, which is more like a tree. I'm just going down a tree and the product appears at the end of whatever selection I've got. But equally, if I'm going into these areas, I might want to find things in different ways. So, for example, I might want my products to be found, just by tags. So, going on a website, I'm actually want to look at occasions, or I might just want to look at color. So the system needs to be able to handle multiple ways of navigations around websites, and we're going to show you how this happens within the PIM and how you can actually achieve these types of scenarios. So as you can see, I'm clicking around. I'm looking for various areas, but I'm not just going down some tree and getting some products. The other important thing is a product needs to be found in multiple areas. So tags allow you to do that. So, if I'm looking at, our different areas that are different sort of filters. So, the same product could appear in, if somebody was clicking on the season thing, it could be in occasions, it could be, in other types of categorization. So these types of scenarios allow you to put a product in multiple categories, multiple tag them in multiple tags so that they can be found in a website. So we're going to explore how you create tags, how they exist, and whatever. So we've got a product here. We want to put something within multiple tags. This is a very stylized, taking our base PIM and stylizing it. But we've got you can see this product here is in multiple occasions, so different tags here. It's in different ranges, different areas. So, it's done by effectively, presenting our, groupings, which are these types of groupings that we're seeing on our website. If I can get to, a product, and this sort, product type, occasions, color, size. These are the equivalents of these top level categories, and then the ability to add a new label within them, and then add the product to that label. So you can see how you can build tag lists and put products within those quite simply within the system. So I'm going to use our demonstration area in the next video to show you how to create the tag lists, to create tags within them, and then we're going to look at how we can integrate these directly into some e-commerce platforms, say using Shopify, that uses this type of scenario. But tags are really important. They are different from categories. Categories are very static, they're very tree-like. So, you're going basically a product sits within a category. So, and you're really just coming down one list. So it's one way of finding something. But, if I'm going into the product, uh, tags give me a much easier way of navigating to that product on a website. So, in this instance, I might want to be putting it into our September range. It could be, you know, different types of styles and so on and so on. So, tags are really a really important aspect of using the PIM. So in the next video, we're going to show you how to create them and how you can actually use them on a website by integrating them onto websites.